When you click on your English 101 Mini Term 1 course, you should land here. However, if you did not do the attendance verification activity that is in Module 0, read through all these things. Make sure that you watch the video and announcements and do the attendance verification quiz that you must complete to stay enrolled in the course. You can also find it in the AV activity. You can read through all of these things that you will be asked. This is one that you can retake. So if you didn't get all the credit for that attendance verification, you can use every point possible. So let's look. Where are my grades? Right here. My grades, right above learner support. So click on my grades. All right, so it looks like I tried retaking the attendance verification. So if I click on it, looks like I need to go back into it and click on it. But if you see a little blue circle like this on any assignment, it means you have not finished the assignment. You started it but did not finish. If you see a yellow circle with an exclamation point, it's really counterintuitive, but it seems like that would be an alert to you, but it really just means that it's an alert to me that you have turned in an assignment completed and I need to grade it. So yellow circle is good. Little blue circle halfway done is like you have only halfway done this. Like you either didn't just click submit at the end of an assignment or something like that. So in addition to the attendance verification quiz, you can see that you have a punctuation practice test that you can take for up to 5 bonus points. I've also shown you how to retake a quiz in Blackboard. So that would apply to the AV quiz, but I would recommend that you go to my grades and look to see what questions you got wrong on that practice test. So just click on the name of the assignment. Then instead of clicking OK, click on the little number that is your score, and then you can see what you've missed, what the answers are, and why they are the answers with more examples. That will help you prepare for the actual punctuation test that you have to do this week. So the punctuation test is the one in red. Do that once you are ready for it to go through. It's not an easy test. It's a college level test. So don't take it flippantly. Don't take it just to rush through. It is only 50 points, so it's not worth as much as a full essay. And of course, you have a lot of little 20-point assignments. So make sure that you do all those little 20-point assignments, especially if you didn't do as well as you wanted to on the punctuation test or the grammar test. Those little 20-point assignments can really help bring your grade up, but if you don't do them or don't do them well, they can really bring your grade down. So make sure that you are paying attention to those smaller assignments, which you will find in Module 2 once you're done with punctuation. When you click on Career Comparison Handouts, you will find lots of handouts. You'll even find outline samples. These are sort of abbreviated outlines. They're not full sentence outlines. So the demonstration videos have full sentences in some of the outlines, and so because you guys are working really fast, I'm fine if you use either of these two as samples and you just fill in really what your research is. I'm going to be looking to see that you do have 6 quotations in there and that they are integrated this way. And you don't have to, certainly in your finished draft, when you are ready to change the outline to a draft, don't put, tooth fairy or whatever the job is, colon, and then the quotation integrated. Just write it like it's a full-on essay that you would pick up and read. You read the samples, and if they don't have something with a colon, then you don't do something with a colon like that. So make sure that you are reading the end product. Read those samples again and again. I have given you 4 excellent samples. 3 of which were written by students. So do look at those. It's going to be really important. Here they are, all 4. So read those so you kind of know where you're going and what the end game is. I'm going to attach the video demonstrations in with this video in your announcements so you can see how to do the email assignment that you're going to do. Here are more demonstration videos, but when you are ready to upload the actual assignments, I think I'll move this to the top for you because this has your list of when things are due. This link will take you to all of the assignment links, and the assignment links also contain details about how to do each assignment. So really the folders with the additional demonstration videos are kind of extra because you have assignment videos also in here. So if you just follow along with me, if you click this link to see how to do an email through your Wallace State email, and you follow along, you will be just fine. You will be able to do the assignment as expected. So do that for each assignment that is due. This is a little preview for the next time. Some of you have already taken your punctuation test, so I just wanted to go ahead and help my weekend warriors along to get started and get your content started. Starting to think about what is coming up in the next week or so, especially if you've already finished the punctuation. But again, here you can see all of the demonstration videos for each assignment that you have due. So make sure that you watch these demonstrations, open the samples. In addition, I have pasted content from the samples in many of the submission links. So your job is to read. It's a lot of reading, but that is the way to know what is expected for each assignment. All right, email me if you have any questions, and I'll be answering emails when I return to work on Monday.